Haha, the first question is already angles. I know some of you guys don't like angles, but angles is under measurement, and I do foresee quite a few questions coming out in measurement because based on past year PSLE trend, there has been an increase in weightage. So I do foresee quite a bit of questions in the measurement per se, okay, which is your angles and your area and parameter as well. Okay, okay? So take note, it's a triangular piece of paper, okay, and take note, it is folded. It is folded along the line, along the dotted line FD, okay, FD, okay, if you were to fold it, it will look like this, okay, so this part here is the same as this, okay? Could I get your participation, please? Thank you. Okay, this is what you need to find, AEF, okay? Okay, take note, FE is equals to FC, okay? And angles within a triangle, they add up to be 180. Okay, let me go through with you guys right now. So like what I was saying just now, this is an isosceles triangle, right? Because you actually fold the triangle along the dotted line, FD. So therefore, I'm very sure that FC is equals to FE. So it's an isosceles triangle down there, right? Okay, now, how do I know CFE is equals to 70 degrees? Okay, for those who can't see straight away, not to worry. You just do one extra step. You remember what I taught you in class, right? The pair of angles between two parallel lines add up to be 180, right? So this would be 110, agree? Good. So this is 70 degrees as stated here in the question. So I know that, hey, this is 110 degrees because the pair of angles between two parallel lines add up to be 180 degrees. Is this okay? All right, and angles on a straight line, they add up to be 180. So therefore, the green angle that I shaped down there is equals to 70 degrees because 180 minus this 110. This is 110. Okay, this is 110. And then the green angle would be 70. Okay, can? And then, can you see these two yellow angles? These two yellow angles together with the green angle, they form 180 degrees altogether. And because FE is equals to FC, I know already the two yellow angles confirm equal, correct? Okay, so 180 minus 70 degrees, you divide by 2. Each of the yellow angles would be 55 degrees. Okay, I want to remind you guys, during PSLE, it's very important that you state the angle referencing. So guys, okay, this is an isosceles triangle, and each of this yellow angle here is 55. During PSLE, you have to tell your teacher for every single step, what is the working and the angle referencing. You have to write that down, okay? And then the last step, I'm making use of angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line, they add up to be 180. So 180 minus 55, and I get 125, okay? Okay, you have to write down your angle referencing during PSLE. If not, your teacher will minus you half mark or 1 mark, okay, for not doing that. Okay, take note. Okay, all right, guys, I'm going through right now. Question 6. Okay, now, I will have highlight this key phrase. One staple is 120 more than each file. I believe everybody is able to tell me that, you know, for every 1 unit of the file, the cost of the stapler is 120 more, right? So it will be 1 unit plus 120 for 1 stapler and 1 unit for 1 file. Okay, so if I follow my instructions to find to express 4 stapler and 6 files in terms of units, you should be able to get this, right? 1U times 4 units, 120 times 4 80. 6 files is 6 units, okay? Now I know that it's very, okay, this question would have been a lot easier if I were to tell you the total cost. The total cost of, you know, the 4 staples and 6 files. Then what you would do, you would add up everything, right? And then equals to the value. Okay, not to worry, for this question, you are given this, the total cost of the files is more, 640 more. May I ask you, what is the cost of the files? So this tells me what? It tells me that this 6 units of the file, this 6 units, guys, look, is equals to 640 more than the total cost of the staple. And the total cost of the staple is this. All right? I'm sure you know how to add these two values up. So 6 units basically is equals to 640 plus 480, which is 1120. I add up the same subjects together, which is the money here. You get 1120. Okay, so you can see 4U plus 2U must give you 6U. So therefore, the value of 2 units must be 1120. Okay, and 1 unit is 560. Take note, the answer is not 560 because you want to find the cost of one staple. That will be 560 and another 120. Okay,